everyone, in my today's video I'm going to show you how to make delicious eggplant curry, which is super simple to make. So let's get started. For that we need 1 tomato, 1 potato, 1 eggplant. That's all. Let's heat up some oil. Add mustard seed, cumin, astafatida, 1 stir crackle. Add our chopped potato. Stir it really well. Close the lid and cook it until they are 90% cooked. Once they are done, then we'll add our eggplant. Stir it really well. Then you add ginger garlic chili paste, salt, turmeric, coriander, cumin powder. Again stir it with some water inside. Close the lid and cook. Now on the side we are going to make a paste of coconut. I have taken frozen coconut. Okay, coconut, peanut and some curry leaves with some water inside. Make a paste, leave it on the side. Now let's check on our eggplant. It should be cooked 70%. Then you add our gravy with some water inside because coconut tends to get thick. So that's why. Close the lid until you see it starts bubbling on the top. That's when you add chopped tomato. Cook it for sometimes like 4 to 5 minutes. And now our sabji is ready. Add amchur powder, chicken masala. You stir it really well. I think the gravy is thick, so now I'm going to add some water so that it's not too thick to eat. And that's it. Once everything starts boiling, that's when you turn off the flame and it's ready. Let's do the final tempering with some oil. Once it heats up, then we'll add our red chili powder, astafatida, and immediately pour it over the sabji. Take some water if there is any tadka left, and now pour it over the sabji. Now our sabji is ready. Turn off the flame, and now you can garnish it with coriander leaves and green onion. Green onion is optional. If you have it, you add it. Otherwise, you don't need to add it. Now our sabji is ready to eat. You can eat it with anything, basically chapati, roti, or puri, anything. Okay, and the flavor tends to get better the next day. So if you're planning on making it, make it extra and you can have it the next day. Thanks for watching. Bye.